Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare JetBrains Rider and VSCode. We'll explore their core functionalities, performance characteristics, and how extensible each platform is. My goal is to help you understand the distinct advantages of both, so you can confidently choose the best development environment for your specific projects and personal preferences. Let's dive into the details and see which one aligns better with your coding style. JetBrains Rider stands out as a comprehensive integrated development environment, particularly strong for NET and game development. It boasts over 2,200 live code inspections, ensuring high code quality and catching issues early. Its powerful refactoring capabilities and advanced debugging tools streamline complex tasks. Rider also includes integrated performance profiling with .trace, offering deep insights into application behavior across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. Visual Studio Code is celebrated for its lightweight design and incredible versatility. It offers a lightning-fast user experience and quick startup, making it ideal for many developers. Its extensive marketplace provides thousands of extensions, allowing for broad customization and language support. With intelligent code completion through IntelliSense, built-in Git integration, and seamless cross-platform compatibility, VSCode is a powerful, free, and open-source choice for diverse projects. When deciding between Rider and VSCode, consider your primary development needs. Rider offers unparalleled depth for NET and game development with robust refactoring and integrated profiling. VSCode, being free and open source, provides exceptional flexibility, speed, and a vast extension ecosystem for a wide array of languages. Both offer strong debugging and version control, so your choice often comes down to project specifics, team preferences, and whether a full IDE or a highly extensible editor suits you best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.